Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm back with another one of the amazing university, and this time it's an Indian university, Ashoka University. Well, I got a ton of requests to review this university, so here it is. Before I begin this video, here is a quick update. Many of you have asked me about my program IV cohort. Well, every summer I help small group of college applicants through my program IV cohort. Well, it's an 8-week high-power live sessions with me to help you build your applications from scratch. My aim is to help you build winning applications to 6 different colleges, and I truly believe in this program, and because it's a small cohort, seats are extremely limited. So if you are interested, make sure to click on the link in the description box to get more details and enroll before it gets sold out. I will see you live inside the program if you wish to join the tribe of successful applicants. For this video, I will give you an in-depth view of the university and will decode the academic, social and financial aspects of the university with my star ratings. And then I will offer you the most important tips and strategies to get into this university. Make sure to listen closely as I will be sharing some most amazing strategies to get into Ashoka University. So let's hit it up for Ashoka University. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Ashoka University is a private university located in Haryana, India. It's actually a fresh new addition to Indian education system and with a fresh new take on existing courses. It was established in 2014 by a group of philanthropists. The founders list initially only named 22 people, which later grew to 46 members. The initial discussion of establishing this university was to create something so good in India that it could match the reputation of world-recognized universities like UPenn, Stanford and MIT. Ashoka University is located in Sonipat in a suburban area of Rajiv Gandhi Education City. Sonipat is located in the optimum location closer to Delhi and the remaining NCR area. It's only 30 kilometers away from Delhi and about 80 kilometers from Gurgaon. The whole Tri-City area is vibrant and full of amazing opportunities to work as well and as to enjoy. Ashoka University's 25-acre main campus is in Rajiv Gandhi Education City in Sonipat, Haryana. It was designed by the American design firm Perkins Eastman, led by architect Aaron Schwartz. The design is a red brick building with a mix of futuristic and modern vibe to it. In September 2021, the foundation stone was laid for a new 27-acre campus to be operational by 2027. Adjacent to the existing campus, the new complex will have 6 academic buildings, 10 residential buildings, utility and service buildings, and a sports field. All colleges at the campus are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. The most popular majors at Ashoka University include liberal arts and science programs, mathematics, economics, and management, but it is very well renowned for its liberal art programs. Although I'm not a big fan of judging the university solely on the basis of a ranking, but even though being a new university to the world, Ashoka is rapidly being recognized as world-class university. Ashoka was ranked in top 30 university in India and the top 250 universities in Asia, which is really setting up high standards. So alright, now let's move on to our next section talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Academics at Ashoka are great, and all courses here are from fresh perspective introduced into Indian education system. Ashoka University's liberal arts and sciences education enables skills like critical thinking, complex problem solving, effective communication, teamwork, and innovation for impact and change. It is very well renowned for liberal arts education and not so much for professional degrees as of now, at the time of recording this video. The academic programs offered by Ashoka University in the dialogical classroom prepare students to excel in the fields of research as well as higher education and in application to their knowledge to tackle real-world problems. The main goal is to create future leaders who can drive real significant change into our society. The university offers a lot of undergraduate programs, graduate programs, PhD programs, the Young India Fellowship, Global Education Programs, Young Scholars Program, and summer programs that students can choose from. The standard length of programs are 3 to 4 years. A lot of opportunities in form of seminars and workshops are also provided to the students. Ashoka University has developed mutually beneficial partnerships with many world-recognized universities including UPenn, Harvard, Berkeley, and others. These partnerships facilitate faculty visits for teaching, student mobility outbound and inbound, research collaborations, short-term study opportunities at these colleges, and custom programs to fit the student's interest area. At graduate level, Ashoka University offers Young India Fellowship Program, MA in Economics, MA in English, and MSc in Biology. It offers a lot of PhD in computer science, psychology, and a lot of other programs. And not just that, Ashoka X, launched recently, is a unique online offering by the university to bring its world-renowned faculty and learning experience to the broader audience in India and around the world. There are smaller online courses that can be used to build on the robust intellectual foundation. The Office of International Programs at Ashoka University offers unique study abroad programs to students who want to explore new cultural and academic avenues in partner with other international universities. Various students from university are spending a semester abroad in leading global institutions such as Harvard, Sciences Po, and University of Pennsylvania. The faculty at Ashoka University is amazing and the best available in the country. Nearly all the professors hold doctorates in their field and from some of the world's best education institutions. The class size at Ashoka University is average to large. They have three different sizes of classes: 100-seated room, 50-seated room, and 25 that are mostly for discussion sessions. So keeping all this in mind, I would like to rate Ashoka University with 4 stars on academic difficulty level and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life at Ashoka is anything but boring. There's a lot happening on campus and off campus for students to enjoy and get involved in. From historic buildings to newer skyline and cafes and world cuisine restaurants, the location has a lot to offer. It is a relatively new university, so planned fests and traditions are still in the making. So you might not get to be a part of these kinds of bigger events. Although there are some annual traditions created by the office, such as Jasne-Jasba, a platform for clubs to provide a sneak peek into what they do, annual production fortnight, a year-end mega event, where clubs bring to the fore their creative work. The Student Life Office helps to promote maximum student participation and involvement in campus life. Through various programs, the college aims at giving all students an opportunity for creative or performative arts, leadership training opportunities with professional mentors from different industries who will guide them through their future career path choices while they still are studying here at the university. Whether that's being a part of business clubs or social network, everything is available. The university also has volunteering days, which is really popular among people looking forward towards career related to service work. The various programs and initiatives of the office will help students appreciate the intricate connection between human life and its social culture fabric, thus enriching student relationships between each other and the world around them. Ranging from music, dance, and gaming to community engagement, language, creative writing, photography, culinary. Ashoka University has over 2,500 students with equal UG, PG, and PhD students. The university has a lot of diversity when it comes to international student body, but majorly from the Asian countries. There are about 20 countries represented, predominantly in Asia, including students from Nepal, Kuwait, even from Bangladesh, and some from South America like Brazil. Housing is available for everyone. The buildings are new and mostly have twin sharing occupancy rooms. Students are assigned in the beginning and the residence life officers decide that roommate based on your information. The returning students can choose their roommates themselves. There is no compulsion for living on campus. You can live off campus as well. The meal plans are included in the residence halls. The menu comes with a set schedule for all the campus from the mess. The quality and variety are good, but there are a lot of places available for students to decide on what to eat. Ashoka is also good on the sports as well. The University Sports Centers offers a lot of opportunities for students to get involved in sports like football, athletics, cycling, basketball, tennis, badminton, volleyball, chess, and even shooting. There are also many regular competitions that one can take part in. Ashoka offers competitive academic and good social life as well. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on quality of life at Ashoka. Well, now let's look at the financial fit. Well, Ashoka falls in an affordable school category if we talk about the global, but it's slightly expensive when we talk about the Indian perspective. The average tuition cost is about 10 to 15 lakhs for a year, and the living and housing is about 1.5 to 2 lakhs for the most programs. As far as financial aid is concerned, Ashoka University offers a lot of scholarship as per the university. According to them, a total of 25 scholarships will be awarded in addition to the need-based financial aid available to all students, of which 5 of the candidates will receive a waiver of 100% on tuition and residence, and remaining 20 will receive a waiver of 100% on tuition. No special sports scholarships are available. So overall, I would like to give it 3 stars out of 5 on financial fit. After exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to increase your chances or triple your chances of getting into Ashoka University with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share come from a decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission, and we are helping students to get into Ashoka University as well. So listen closely. Ashoka University is one of the rising elite colleges in the world. The acceptance rate last year was 25% overall, similar for international students. When it comes to international students, Ashoka is extremely selective. Ashoka University is an institution that strives to give students the skill they need for life after graduation. They do this by focusing on foundational knowledge, rigorous academic research, and hands on experience with real world challenges, all in order to produce well rounded individuals who can think critically about issues from multiple perspectives, communicate effectively, and become leaders communicating the public service. The school aims to help students become well rounded individuals who can think critically about issues from multiple perspectives, communicate effectively, and lead with commitment in public service. And Ashoka education carries an emphasis on foundational knowledge as well as through academic research based off rigorously pedagogy. This is complemented by hands-on experience working with real-world challenges that these graduates will take into their future careers or business when they graduate from the college. When preparing for admission to Ashoka University, it uses a holistic admission process that ensures that each applicant is evaluated in its unique context. All of the applicants are evaluated on their level of engagement with their previous academics, hobbies and extracurricular activities, interest and potential within their unique life journeys. Throughout their academic and residential life at Ashoka University, students work towards developing faculties and values such as intellectual curiosity and critical thinking, academic rigor, research and writing, open-mindedness and willingness to learn, an interdisciplinary and problem-solving approach, resilience, tolerance and teamwork. Ashoka University's holistic admission process ensures that each application is evaluated in its unique context. Ashoka's application process is simple as compared to the rest of the world application. The admission happens in stages or rounds, so multiple deadlines are released for all postgraduate and undergraduate applications. The entire application is as follows. Stage 1 is the application and assessment. Application phase is where you need to submit your academic scores, SAT or GRE or GMAT ACT scores for graduate or undergraduate, your personal essays, recommendation, non-academic engagement. Once an application form has been submitted within the deadline of the particular round, the applicant will be required to mandatorily participate in assessments. The assessments consist of the following. First is on-the-spot essay, which is mandatory for about 30 minutes. The on-spot essay evaluates the following parameter: engagement with the prompt, critical thinking, clarity of thought, and creativity. The candidate will be given 2 topics to choose from at the time of writing the essay. The candidate cannot use any external resource to help them write the essay. The essay has no word limit and can be attempted with minimal preparation. Along with this, there is a mandatory aptitude assessment that is for 90 minutes. The Ashoka Aptitude Assessment has been developed for Ashoka University's admission purposes by Cambridge and is based on the TSA, which is Thinking Skills Assessment, to evaluate the thinking skills of the applicant. It consists of questions on problem-solving skills, which includes numerical and spatial reasoning, and critical thinking skills, including understanding arguments and reasoning using everyday language. It has a total of 40 multiple-choice questions, 20 for problem-solving and 20 questions for critical thinking, and is designed to be taken with minimal preparation. Each application form is read in detail and evaluated along with the assessments in the holistic manner by the admissions committee, which shortlists candidate for an interview. Interview is a mandatory process. The Ashoka interview seeks to understand and get to know the candidate better, their background and their story. It also evaluates various parameters of the application form submitted by the candidate to gauge the candidate's suitability to Ashoka University's academic and residential life program. The candidate will be interviewed by the panel. The time taken for the interview might vary depending upon the interaction. Now, interviews are usually conducted across multiple cities in India. For applicants who are unable to travel to any city where in-person interviews are conducted, there is a provision for an online interview with the interview panel. Ashoka uses its own portal for collecting applications, and the application is easy to navigate and work through. Ashoka also accepts transfer applications, and roughly the timeline flows the same way. Normally, there are 4 rounds ranging between November to June of every year. The first round is about November 10th generally, followed by January deadline in round 2, April for round 3, and June for round 4. Well, in the end, to conclude, if you are an academically strong student, hardworking, okay with an intense workload, social, interested in research, and a good leader, Ashoka is for you. Well, Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And also, if you need any help in working with the Ashoka University applications, you can contact us. I'll be back with amazing university for you. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.